Before we begin, the Amber Alert in this video has been canceled at 6 p.m. on July 16th, 2022, local time. CARRASCO was found safe in Carrollton according to police on Facebook. This is from KWTX. No additional information has been made public.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Department of Public Safety. This is a child abduction alert issued by the Texas Amber Alert Network. The Corinth Police Department is searching for ANGIE CARRASCO, HIPANIC female, 12 years old, 5 feet 1 inch, 120 pounds, brown hair, brown eyes, last seen wearing unknown color t-shirt, black shorts, style shoes. Police are looking for an unknown suspect in connection with her disappearance. The suspect is driving a silver newer model Chevrolet with unknown license plate. The suspect was last heard from in Corinth, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Corinth Police Department at 940-349-1600. News media contact is Corinth Police Department at 940-279-1503.